there, my name's Jacqui and I'm the assessor in the early years department, and my role is to help students understand the importance of practical activities with their little ones when they're in nursery. So today we're just going to make really simple hangers, and the reason I've picked this is because you can make this as difficult or as easy as you want depending on the age of the children you're with. So you literally just cut round your plate. If your children are preschool, they can do this for themselves. If they're under 2, obviously, you won't be letting them have the scissors, so you will do this for them. However, they'll all get the same effect, and they'll all have something to take home to their families for Christmas just to hang up. Easy peasy. Just for quickness for today, I'm just going to sponge paint them. Top tip, if you put PVA glue in your paint, your stickers, everything will stick. You don't need to put glue onto anything else. So let the children just sponge paint, do it easy as you like. If your children are older, you could make this much more complicated and much more technical. But I'm basing this on a 2-year-old today. So we're just going to let them have a good fun with this. Get as much paint on as you can. Obviously these are a choking hazard if your children are quite small, so I expect as nursery nurses you risk assess this and you know that you're going to help them or you're going to be with them the whole time and help them decorate it. Obviously they can put them wherever they want. You don't ever try and make it how you want it to look, let it be how they want it to look. Also glitter. Glitter's messy, so my advice would be to just not use too much of it, just use a little bit of it. I'm not going to use too much today, but yeah, just a little bit if I can get it open. Obviously because this paint has got glue in it, you don't need to worry about putting extra glue on. Okay, and then your final thing, just punch a hole in the very top here, like that. Okay, and then get your ribbon ready just to thread through. If you're feeling really creative and really Christmassy, you could use tinsel for this. Also, you could adapt this activity to be for any subject you're doing at the moment. So if you're doing autumn, you could do this with autumn leaves and do your browns and oranges. Or if you're doing birthdays, you could put cakes on here and get them to have a little hanging decoration to take home for their birthday parties. But if not, you could hang this in your window for Christmas.